How to use Google Authenticator with Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use the Google Authenticator double verification in our Binance app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to enable the option of the Authenticator using the Google Authenticator app, first of all, you need to launch the Binance app. You can simply find the Binance app in Google Play. You may just download it from there, as well as the Google Authenticator. You may also download that from Play Store as well. After that, simply open the Binance app. After opening the Binance app, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. So what you need to do is simply tap on your profile at the top right here, at top left. You can see this yellow icon, so just tap on that yellow box. After that, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So here, just simply tap on your profile. You can see this. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, here you will be able to see verification, security, VIP privilege, and Twitter. So here what you need to do is simply tap on security option. Just tap on security and you'll get to next page. After getting to next page, just wait for it to load, and here you can easily see the Authenticator app option under passkeys, and above the email, just tap on the Authenticator app and tap on enable option. You can see this yellow box with enable. Just tap on it. After that, wait for it to be loaded. And here you'll be receiving a verification code in your email. You just need to type in the email verification code that you received in your email. Just type it in and tap on submit. After entering your code, you will be receiving a 16-digit key and a QR code here. You just need to simply copy the 16-digit code. You can see this copy here. Just tap on copy and copy it. After that, what you need to do is simply open the Google Authenticator app. After that, you will be able to see a floating plus icon. Just tap on that and tap on setup. After that, enter the name of Google Binance. After entering Binance, just get back, and here you can see you can come back and verify the new Authenticator app in Binance app. Just tap on next. After that, you need to enter the 6-digit code that you'll be receiving on your Google Authenticator. Just tap on submit, and just like that, your Authenticator will be linked with the Binance application very easily. So therefore, by following that method, you can use Google Authenticator in Binance. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.